What's going on, everyone? Chandler Waite here with Lebanon Ford Performance Parts. Today we're going to take a very quick second to talk about an exciting product from Ford Performance, namely the Ford Performance W springs for all 2016 to 2019 GT350s or your 2018 plus Magne Ride equipped GTs. So, for those of you who don't know, there is a bit of a kind of lack of information out there on lowering magnetic ride equipped GTs. Some people say that it'll throw a check engine light, it'll mess with the Magne Ride. We're very fortunate that we actually have BWI down the street, the people who make Magne Ride from the dealership, and I've had a chance to talk to them, and they say that there should not be any issue putting any springs on Magne Ride cars. Whatever the case, Ford Performance decided to come out with their own lowering springs specifically for Magne Ride equipped cars in the form of the W spring. So what it is, you got your front and your rear spring. Obviously there are two, one for each side, but for the sake of comparison, all I'm showing is one front and one rear. They will lower your car down by about 3/4 of an inch, whether you be a GT350, 350R, or GT plus Magne Ride customer. This is the perfect spring for you for those looking to just lower the car down a little bit, give it a little bit more of an aggressive stance without making the ride overly harsh. Ford Performance does note to expect a little bit of ride difference, but nothing too crazy. This is compatible with pretty much all of your aftermarket and factory struts and sway bars. All right, guys, once again, the Ford Performance W springs are great for customers who are looking to lower their rides about 3/4 of an inch without worrying about taking the gamble of putting non-Magne Ride specific springs on their ride. This is perfect to increase the aggressive look of your car without negatively impacting the handling. They're available on our parts website at $276.99 in stock, ready to ship. Once again, these are going to be great for anybody looking to drop about 3/4 of an inch off of their ride height without having to take the gamble of whether or not a regular spring will work on their Magne Ride equipped car. Thanks so much for watching, and see you next time.